You finish an amazing book. A week later, you still remember the vibe, maybe one or two strong ideas, but if someone asks what the book was really about, you can't explain it clearly. And no, this isn't laziness, this isn't low IQ, this is biology. I call it the curse of words. For more than 200,000 years, humans didn't learn from text. We learned from movement, emotion, danger, and space. A hunter didn't remember a checklist. He remembered a scene, where the food was, who betrayed him, which animal almost killed him. And here's the crazy part. Your hippocampus, your memory center, is basically a navigation system. It remembers context, not paragraphs. That's why books feel powerful in the moment, but fade so quickly later. Most people think remembering means repetition. Read again, highlight more, summarize harder. But repetition without transformation creates familiarity, not memory. Psychologist Alan Pivio proved this with something simple. Your brain stores information through two channels, words and images. When you read the word table, you use one channel, but when you see a table, you activate two. Two channels means two retrieval paths. That's why diagrams beat paragraphs. That's why you remember slides better than textbooks. And this isn't new. 2,500 years ago, a Greek poet named Simonides survived a disaster. A banquet hall collapsed. Bodies were unrecognizable. But he identified everyone, not by faces, but by where they had been sitting. That moment revealed the secret. Memory is spatial. Memory is visual. This became the method of loci, still used by memory champions today. So why do traditional notes fail? Because they stay in the same format. Text to more text. No translation happens. But real learning always includes a format change. Text into image, image into story, story into metaphor. Because your brain doesn't remember information, it remembers experiences. Here's how to read without wasting effort. Step 1, extract meaning. After a section, write one sentence. If I had to teach this, I'd say, Step 2, create an image with action. Motion matters. Step 3, add a small emotional tag. Surprise, tension, irony. Step 4, anchor it in space. Cause left, effect right. You're building a mental interface. And here's the warning. AI summaries can steal your memory. If AI encodes it for you, your brain skips the work. Use AI after visualization, not before, to test your metaphors and challenge your understanding. Because learning isn't consuming knowledge, it's encoding experiences. Your brain didn't fail you, you just stopped speaking its language. Words alone are a curse. Images break it.